Life on the Silk Road was often lonely. With every passing mile, home shrank further and further into the distance, and with it, your loved ones, your community, safety, and supplies. Up ahead, the expansive earth stretches towards the horizon. You feel tiny, a speck of life slowly trekking across the great unknown. What waits for you out there? Riches or robbery? To find out, you must keep moving. But your destination is many days away. Where will you rest next? Where will you find food or water? How long will you have to travel before you find the comfort of civilization again? But you're not alone. Other travelers share your route and share your needs. And where there is a need, there is an opportunity. Waypoints, places to stop along the journey, developed on the Silk Road routes. Spaced about a day apart, they provided a place to rest, eat and drink, and to share the company of fellow travelers. For a small fee, caravansaries had a bed and hot tea, food and water, and security from bandits. Monasteries gave shelter and prayer for safe travels. Tea houses offered warmth and conversation. Some waypoints nestled into natural nooks, where there was flowing fresh water. Others, like the Yamchun Fort, offered shelter in rugged terrain. And then there were the cities. Destinations for some, waypoints for others. Some Silk Road cities were home to nearly 1 million people. With so many different backgrounds mingling in the streets, places like Dunhuang and Samarkand, Alexandria and Antioch became major centers of cultural exchange. Silk Road travelers carried their goods, ideas, and beliefs with them. In the city bazaars and taverns, these diverse cultural elements mixed together. People left cities with new flavors, new tools, and new luxurious goods to spread far and wide. Thinkers from all over gathered in cities to discuss and develop their ideas. Sometimes, a new idea from a far-off land would spark new thoughts and a whole new line of knowledge, like medicine or math, would result. Hundreds of different languages may have been spoken within the city borders. As scientific and religious texts were translated, languages gained new words and evolved. The Silk Road routes may have been lonely, but the waypoints along the way weren't. They were alive with conversation, exchange, and innovation. Just like today, wherever people from diverse backgrounds meet, new ideas flourish, and the world grows more connected.